This is the first project we are doing in Cronulla, and we just came down here and we fell in love with the location. It was very important for us to design something that is designed for every hour of the day, not just for night. So that's how we look at the project. It's home for us. We see ourselves living in those spaces, and that makes us excited about the whole process. We started as an architectural company, and we got into property development, and then we got into the construction to make sure that the details that we design actually come to fruition. We purchased this property with a D approval, which was 25 units. The view, the cross ventilation, the solar access, all those things are very important. So we went back and we redesigned everything to reduce it to 18 units. In the new design, every living room in this complex, they have two aspects, and they get two sides for the light and cross ventilation, and that was very important in our design language. We did a partnership with the University of New South Wales to study how we can do the best design and approach towards sustainability. That was in the initial stages of the work, and later we partnered up with Northrop to make sure that those ideas can be translated into construction. We managed to save 66% of energy consumption in this building with passive design and solar panels, batteries, EV stations. The common area is fully covered by solar panels here. The other important factor was windows. Thermally broken windows are one of the best ways to stop the heat transaction between inside and outside. So when you have thermally broken windows accompanied with double glazing and also UV protection, you get basically the best performance out of those windows. So we chose to use the best windows in this building. We got allocated a consultant from AWS from the design stage, and they helped us with coming up with the best spec for this type of window that we need for the project. They recommended the ThermalHEART AWS range. It wasn't just about sustainability, it was also about aesthetics for us. So they have slim sort of frames, and you can get the flush finish inside, outside, between the apartment and the balcony, and that was very important for us. We use the exterior space as an extension of the living room. It's a teamwork between AWS providing the best profiles and the best support, and also execution of a good fabricator. So they put us in touch with Evolution, and they helped us a lot throughout the process to get the best result with the whole windows. And more than the windows, the joints around the windows, which are very important to get them airtight. It's important for us to get the best performance, to sort of focus on the sustainability aspect of every project that we do, and to create a space that it's timeless. It's understated, but it's got everything that you could expect from a luxurious space to live in.